If Opera is showing you Twitch error 2000, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the fastest ways to fix it step by step. This issue is usually caused by either a temporary Twitch outage, blocked site data, or privacy settings in your browser that are interfering with the stream. The good news is that in most cases, you can get Twitch working again in just a few minutes. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and browser guides. First, before changing anything on your browser, check whether the problem is actually on Twitch's side. Open a new tab and visit DownDetector to see if there is a sudden spike in Twitch user reports. If you see a big wave of complaints, that usually means the issue is not just on your device. Next, go to the official Twitch status page and look for any live incidents or service disruptions. If Twitch is experiencing a global network outage, your local Opera settings are not the cause. In that case, the only fix is to wait for Twitch's infrastructure team to resolve the server-side bug. If Twitch looks fine and the issue is still happening, the next step is to check Opera's Easy Setup privacy settings. In Opera, open the Easy Setup menu and scroll down to the Privacy section. Here, you want to turn off block ads and block trackers. These privacy features can sometimes interfere with Twitch's scripts, cookies, or security checks, which can trigger error 2000. After disabling those options, go back to Twitch and refresh the page to see if the stream loads normally. If that still does not fix it, the next step is to clear the site data for Twitch. While you are on the Twitch website, click the padlock icon on the far left side of the address bar. From the menu that opens, click Site Settings or Cookies and Site Data, depending on what your version of Opera shows. Then click Clear Data. This removes old cookies, cache permissions, and corrupted site information that may be causing the error. Once that is done, close the tab and reopen Twitch in a fresh session. Now perform one more important step, because this often makes the difference between a failed login and a working stream. Hold down Ctrl and F5 to do a hard refresh. This forces Opera to reload Twitch with fresh files instead of using anything stale or corrupted from the browser cache. A hard refresh can also pull a new, uncorrupted security token, which is especially useful if the page was stuck on an old session state. After that, try loading Twitch again and test the live stream. In many cases, one of those steps will clear error 2000 immediately. If it still persists, it is a good idea to repeat the site data reset and double check that Opera's ad blocking and tracker blocking are turned off for Twitch specifically. You may also want to make sure no other extensions are interfering with the site. So to quickly recap, first check DownDetector and the Twitch status page, then disable ad blocking and tracker blocking in Opera, clear Twitch site data from the padlock menu, and finally hard refresh with Ctrl plus F5. That gives you the best chance of fixing Opera Twitch error 2000 without wasting time. If this video helped you get Twitch working again, please give it a like, subscribe for more browser fixes, and leave a comment if you want help with another Twitch or Opera error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.